Hey, what's going on, guys? So this video is basically going to be me solving a bit of an issue that I've noticed people having, especially on YouTube, when you see these kind of videos and tutorials. And that's basically related to N8N and Apify. Now, if you don't know what Apify is, it's basically a scraping platform. So people create scrapers that you can pay for, and they will do a particular thing, like scrape a particular website. It's basically like a bit of a marketplace, and it's very useful for people like me that do automation because they're pre-built and they're just ready to go. Now, obviously, using N8N, which is a automation platform, I sometimes use N8N with Apify, and what you can actually do is trigger Apify from N8N. And one of the common things I see, especially on YouTube videos, is that when people do this, the one drawback is that there is this time limit. So when you send a request to a scraper from N8N, you have to get the data back within 5 minutes or the actor will fail. So most of the time, this is not a problem because most of the time, for some people, people can get what they want in 5 minutes. The actor will run, it will scrape whatever they have to scrape, and then it will send the data back. So with this endpoint, which is run actor synchronously, this will basically send the request, wait for 5 minutes, and then send you the data set, so give you the results. Now, obviously, when you run an actor, sometimes it can run more than 5 minutes. And if you do run an actor that runs 5 minutes, it will fail if you're using this one. So I've come up with this solution, which basically combines these three nodes together. And what it is on this first node, you have run actor, and we have the usual, parameters. We have post, URL, but we have query parameters being webhook and this. And this is basically that with the help of ChatGPT created. And what it basically allows you to do is when you send the JSON with your request, so this is one actor that basically gets information about YouTube videos and also pulls the transcript down. Now, once you send this to the actor and run the actor will run. However, when the actor's running, we'll actually wait until it finishes. Once the actor is actually finished, even if it takes more than 5 minutes, or even if it took 30 minutes, this wait node would actually wait until it sends back the information for us, and then we would get it in our data set. So if where's my manual trigger? If I actually just show you, or I actually have it here. So instead of doing the normal one, which you'd send your request and then you have to wait 5 minutes, remember that 5 minute limit, and then it would send it back. We can use this one, which is basically unlimited time. So if I run it, oh, wait, I think I've got another, I've got some other stuff here. Let me deactivate that webhook and let me try it again. So I'll do test workflow. Now, this is going to send the request to the run actor. And if we actually check and go on here, you can actually see the actor has started. We've actually initiated that from N8N. Now, as soon as this finishes, as you can see, the wait node is waiting for the actor to finish. Once the actor finishes, it will then trigger the wait node and it will give us the data set. And then your workflow can continue from there, basically. So as you can see, we're still waiting, we're still waiting. This is, so I only requested 10. But yeah, as you can see, so it's a tick now. So the wait node should have triggered and we should now have the data through. Yeah, perfect. So as you can see, the wait node, it was waiting. As soon as the actor finished, it triggered it and we got the data set from here. And yeah, we just have all this information now. So that's just a little trick to bypass that 5-minute limitation through Apify. I've not seen a lot of people have this solution, so I just wanted to put it out there. And yeah, hope it helps. I'll make sure to put the JSON of this workflow either in the description. I'll give you guys a link to download it. So yeah, hope that helps.